In the heart of Europe lies a land shrouded in mystery, a land where history echoes through time like whispers in the wind. Imagine a place where the past speaks in vivid colors, where the shadows of empires still dance across the landscape. Welcome to the enigmatic journey through the past of former Yugoslavia. But beware, for the tale we are about to unravel is not for the faint of heart. It is a story of triumph and tragedy, of unity and division, woven into the fabric of a nation torn apart by the tides of history. As we embark on this voyage, prepare to be transported back in time to an era of kings and conquerors, of heroes and villains. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of Yugoslavia's rise and fall, exploring its rich tapestry of cultures, its tumultuous conflicts, and its enduring legacy. Brace yourself, for what lies ahead is a journey like no other, a journey through the past of former Yugoslavia, where every twist and turn promises to leave you spellbound until the very end. Part 1. The Rise of Yugoslavia. Our journey begins in the aftermath of the Great War, a time of upheaval and uncertainty. It was amidst the chaos of post-war Europe that the seeds of Yugoslavia were sown, as the dream of a united South Slavic state took root in the hearts of its people. Led by visionary leaders like Josip Broz Tito, Yugoslavia emerged as a beacon of hope in a fractured world. But the road to unity was not without its challenges. Ethnic tensions simmered beneath the surface, threatening to tear the fragile nation apart. Yet, against all odds, Yugoslavia endured, fueled by the ideals of brotherhood and solidarity. Part 2. Tensions and conflicts. As the years passed, cracks began to appear in the facade of Yugoslav unity. Ethnic divisions that had long been suppressed burst into the open, fueled by centuries-old rivalries and territorial disputes. The dream of a harmonious multi-ethnic state gave way to the harsh reality of civil strife. The Yugoslav wars, with their harrowing tales of bloodshed and betrayal, stand as a stark reminder of the cost of division. From the siege of Sarajevo to the massacre at Srebrenica, the scars of war run deep, leaving a legacy of pain and sorrow in their wake. Part 3. Cultural diversity. Amidst the chaos of conflict, it is easy to overlook the rich cultural tapestry that defines the former Yugoslav nations. From the vibrant folk music of Serbia to the stunning architecture of Croatia, each region boasts its own unique heritage and traditions. Yet, beneath the surface, there is a common thread that binds these diverse cultures together. It is a shared history of struggle and resilience, of triumph and tragedy, that transcends the boundaries of ethnicity and religion. Part 4. Legacy and reconciliation. As we near the end of our journey, we are left to ponder the legacy of Yugoslavia and its impact on the region today. Though the dream of unity may have faded, its spirit lives on in the hearts of those who refuse to be defined by the divisions of the past. In the face of adversity, there are those who dare to hope for a brighter future. A future where the wounds of the past can finally begin to heal. From grassroots reconciliation efforts to international peace initiatives, there is no shortage of individuals and organizations working tirelessly to bridge the divides that still linger. As our journey comes to a close, we are reminded that the past is not simply a series of events to be studied and dissected, but a living, breathing part of who we are. In revisiting the history of former Yugoslavia, we are invited to confront our own prejudices and preconceptions, to recognize the humanity that binds us all together. So let us not dwell on the mistakes of the past, but instead look to the future with hope and optimism. For in the end, it is only by embracing our shared history that we can hope to build a world of peace and understanding for generations to come. If you found this journey through the past of former Yugoslavia as captivating as we have, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future explorations of history and culture. Join us on this journey, and together, let's continue to uncover the stories that shape our world.